Feeling ko, kung ako'y mag-isang kakain to, eh mauubos ko rin sila.
Nanubabo ka Balen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yeah, so for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Guagua Pampanga. So check out itong bagong open Pizza Pedricos.
Yes.
Dito sa may Guagua Town Center.
There you go guys. So ngayon, it's a pizza day, so we're gonna experience and we would like to congratulate po yung mga owners for coming up with this kind of concept dito po sa Guagua Pampanga.
Yes, to give you an idea, as low as 29 pesos.
Ooh, look at this. Ayan, so
makakakain ka na ng pizza dito.
yes, you can also take home and cook it yourself.
Yes.
Yung mga pizzas natin dito. So, frozen, fresh, 10 plus 1. So, each po kasi for the frozen is like 62 pesos. If you're gonna buy yung 10, they're gonna add 1. So, you save 62 pesos. So, that is 620 pesos only.
Yan, so the next thing to do naman natin, syempre, titikman na rin natin yan since maaga pa tayo. So, kain muna tayo ng pizza.
Exactly. So, ayun guys, order tayo and of course, we're gonna try them. So, sabihin na naman din ang kain. Okay, so, sige. Pareho lang. So, ayun guys, if you're gonna search for this store, siguro sa Google Map, mas hahanapin ninyo is yung Robinson's Supermarket Guagua. So, you're gonna arrive here dahil dito po yung entrance ng supermarket natin. Let's talk about their mga variants or mga flavors they call it, no?
Yes, sa mga solo natin or mga
circle pizzas.
Circle pizzas. So, meron tayong Chorizo and Cheez, ham, pineapple, and cheese.
Yun ata isa sa mga in-order natin.
Yes, isa to. Isa rin to yung kanilang sausage, pepperoni, and cheese. Ham, sausage, and cheese. Cheez and Cheez.
Cheez and Cheez.
Yes. Ham and cheese, and yung kanilang garlic mushroom
Ooh,
melt.
that is interesting.
Ang kagandahan din dito, you have a choice. It's either solo or for pizza in a box.
Which is actually 62 pesos and 240 pesos respectively.
Yes.
Sa mga to-go naman natin, so I think this is perfect for yung mga students or yung mga napadaan dito, yung parang, uy, tingnan ko nga yun.
Gusto lang tikman.
Yes, so they call it pizza to go. So ito yung mga go-go bite things nila.
For as low as 29 pesos, makakatikim ka na nga ng it's either queso mucho to go or yung kanilang aloha to go. And if you want to upgrade it into a premium flavor, so add lang kayo ng 6 pesos, as low as 35 pesos, matitikman mo na yung kanilang beefy barbecue to go and yung kanilang pepperoni plus to go.
So kung nagustuhan mo naman yung mga to go nila, they are actually also available yung sa mga square pizzas natin. So that is 230 pesos doon sa mga favorite flavors natin and then 280 pesos naman for the premium flavor. So take note, those are 8 premium slices.
Yes, kung gusto mo naman din upgrade na may drinks na, for only 49 pesos para sa ating mga favorite flavors and 55 pesos naman para sa mga premium flavors na natin.
Wow, so meron ka ng drink, meron ka ng pizza.
Yes.
Ooh, okay. So ito yung kanilang
combo
meal.
Go-Go Meals combo.
Yes. Okay. First to try yung kanilang mga to-go.
To-go, yes.
Alright, so you have a drink. Baka naman.
Mountain Dew, baka naman. Yeah, so akin yung kanilang beefy barbecue.
And then mine is yung kanilang aloha.
Yes, gandahan dito. Mainit silang kakainin mo. Ready to go. And syempre, these are mga thin crust.
Thin crust. Ooh.
Syempre, hindi na nawawala dyan. Hot sauce tayo dyan.
Hot sauce tayo dyan, bro. So actually, although thin crust yung mga pizza natin, hindi sila yung parang sobrang crusty.
Yeah. I think mabibilin tayo dito. Dito naman, order tayo ng kanilang 4 pizza in a box. So since nabitin nga tayo, ito na yung 4 pizza in a box.
Hoy!
And syempre, meron din tayong mga solo dito.
Ayun. Okay. So let's go to their other variants. So this is how it looks like for a box of 4.
Yes.
Ayan. So meron tayo naman solo.
This one?
Which is that one.
Okay. Kung kayo solo lang talaga, pwede na order rin dito.
Yes.
For group naman, or kung kayo medyo malakas kumain ng pizza, this is good for you. So what we have here, yung kanila garlic mushroom melt, sausage, pepperoni, cheese, cheese and cheese, and yung kanilang ham, pineapple, and cheese.
Ham, pineapple, and cheese. Okay, so let's try them. Ready, bro?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, let's try them. Whoa. Look at that. Here's the size. So,
Yes.
pinahati namin siya into 4.
Actually, saktong-sakto
Ito
na
lang.
to. Kung kayo mga nagmamadali, at the same time, on the go.
Yeah.
Gusto nyo lang kumain ng pizza na mabilisan and mura, this is good for you.
You know what guys, surprisingly, para sa price niya, it is actually far better
Yes.
yung taste niya dun sa price. Surprisingly. So, yung cheese and cheese nila is actually good for, you know, mga vegetarian, doesn't have any meat on it. Plus yung kanilang parang mushroom and cheese.
Imagine for only, kung meron kang 100 pesos, and nagmamadali ka, or gusto mo lang kumain ng pizza for solo, goods na to. Pasok na pasok sa budget mo. Saktong-sakto. On the go naman, after nyo mamalengke, after nyo pumasok ng school, or yung mga pumupunta dito sa may Guagua Town Center, before kayo umuwi, magdala kayo ng box of 4 na pizza from Pizza Pedricos.
Pizza Pedricos. Wow, grabe Mark. Actually, naubos natin yung isang box.
Yes.
Totally nabusog ako and at the same time na-satisfy kasi for their price is actually surprisingly far better kung matitikman natin yung flavors nila.
Yeah, so hindi siya masakit sa bulsa. At the same time, sakto sa set.
Okay, so before we go and give them the information, brother, anong variant yung nagustuhan mo?
Actually, nagustuhan ko yung kanila sausage pepperoni.
Okay.
Since good person nga ako.
Okay.
And yung kanilang garlic mushroom.
Wow! Mayroon tayong na pareho doon, yung kanang garlic mushroom. It is very evident na ang sarap sa lasa at saka ang bango ng kanilang
Actually,
garlic
ang
mushroom.
sarap ng mga.
So,
Then, add mo pa yung hot sauce nila.
Yes, you gotta
talagang
try.
Tamang-tama na.
Ayun. So again, another place for you to check out. Congratulations po, Pizza Pedricos at saka yung ating Pizza to Go for opening up dito po sa Guagua Pampanga.
Yes, so opening time nila from 10 a.m. up to 7 p.m. every day. Siyempre, dito lang yung makikita sa may Guagua Town Center, Guagua Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang yan, malapit siya or nandito siya sa may Robinson Supermarket ng Guagua.
Yes.
So, nabusog na tayo. At the same time, nakatipid pa tayo. So, ngayon, lalarga na tayo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we hope to see you on our next video.
Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys. Order pa tayo bro.